Hey kiddos, this video is going to assume that you already understood the notes pretty well, and we're just looking at the second problem where we want to find the line, the slope of the line tangent to this function at this value. So if you understand all this notation, if you don't understand all this notation, you might watch this slightly longer video. But if you understand all this work here, and you understand that I'm going to take this g function and plug in 1 plus h and g of 1, and if you understand that plugging in g of 1 plus h gives us something like this, then just continue watching this video. If any of these steps seem a little crazy to you or you're not quite sure how I got to here, then watch the slightly longer version. We're just talking about how to do this red part on Wolfram Alpha and like what I want you guys to do with Wolfram Alpha. So it's just this portion. You know, I know you guys know how to cube this and square this and simplify this. It's just really long and tedious and it's easy to make mistakes and I don't want to worry about it. So we're going to go to wolframalpha.com and you can see I already did it once, but I just want to show you how it looks when you first get there. And we're just going to simply type simplify, and then we're going to put parentheses, and we're going to type in that whole expression, just the red part, just what we got when we plugged 1 plus h into the function. So you probably, like the keystrokes won't shock anybody. 1 plus h to the third power, I'll use that caret key, you know, minus 2 times 1 plus h squared, what, minus 2? And then you'll go ahead and press enter. And if you made your parentheses wrong or did things that looked wonky, Wolfram Alpha will be like, this is confusing, it'll tell you. But if you do it all the way you're supposed to do it, it'll tell you what it thought you were trying to do. And then it'll tell you like several versions of the answer. We want the best version of the answer. H cubed plus h squared minus h minus 3. So going back to my work, what would happen next is all of this red stuff would get replaced with this h cubed plus h squared minus h minus 3. If that makes sense to you, you can stop the video now. If you're not sure how to proceed, I'll go just a little further on this one. All that red stuff became h cubed plus h squared, what? Minus h minus 3. It's all over h. And then of course all this stuff, we're going to do minus, this becomes a 1. This becomes a minus 2, this becomes a minus 2, so all the orange stuff turns into a negative 3, and then what will happen is these 3's will cancel, and if you're not sure how to evaluate the limit from here, watch the video on the limit. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a good time with this, and it's not too tedious, and yeah, good luck.